feda because kunengozi engiyibonayo ngo-Enigma. Uyabona u-Enigma mhlazane eshona abaningi bazomphendula uShembe. I'm telling you guys, uyabona u-Enigma the day he dies, many of them they will change this man, and many of them the same way happening about the Isaiah Shembe, the prophet of God who is Isaiah Shembe Khumalo. There are many of them abazomphendula Enigma, and there are many generations that are coming. Those generations, they are going to worship Enigma. You can see even now on the comments that some of people they've changed this man to be a god, or that small g god. They've been changed this man to become their gods. The way they comment, it's like they are commenting for their own Shembe. So let me tell you something. This man, he will be Shembe tomorrow. Whatever he's saying in episode, they will come in to be like in biblically, because you can see there are people now, this thing ingene deeper kubo, yahlala phakathi kubo. Ngiyatshela mhlazana edlula lo mfo, abaningi babuye uthi bekuNkulunkulu, abaningi babuye umphendula isithixo, abaningi babo they are this certain of generation, they are this enigmatic religion that is going to be formed. There's this enigmatic, ngungizwe kahle, not Christianity religion. Not Christianity religion, because I'm very surely umakathi uJesu athi is not Jesus Christ who walenga esiphambanweni. But even in the Bible tells us ukuthi kwakunabo Bar Jesus, and bazo Bar Jesus, they were Bar Jesus. No, I'm telling you, I see a danger of this enigmatic, the way people who fighting for Enigma, it's telling me that one day there is a danger that is coming. As much we are busy quoting some other this man will become his tiko. I'm telling you, the way people are so hungry for nonsensically prophecies that from enigma